Hey guys, so today we are going to see that how can you animate gears in SolidWorks. So I have made this gear system, and if I am just moving manually, you can see that the gears are moving. But how can you animate this? So for that, you can see my video in which I showed you that how can you make this assembly and how can you give gear mates, mechanical mates, and then how can you give motion to this assembly, how can you animate that. So you need to just go to motion study 1 here, go to motion study 1. Now here you go to this motor, click on this. Now click on rotary motor component. You can select any of this gear. I am going to select this one, and you can see the direction here, the in the right one, like this is moving like this. And you can give the speed, let's say 50, and then check this and click on play. If you click on play, you can see that the gears are animating. You can move this diamond bar over here and you can get more time from this. So if you play this, you can see that how the gears are moving. You can get the animation. So in this way you can animate anything in SolidWorks, but this video is especially for how to animate gears. Okay, so one more thing, let's modify this, and we have done this. And how can you do something in this? So how can you record this, how can you save this animation? There's also an interesting thing which I need to give to you. So if you go to settings, and this is a frame per second, which is generally you can choose 30 generally for high quality videos, and I think it stuck. Okay, so now if I play this, stop this setting, and frame per second is 30, and this again I am going to give this like this, and I'm going to increase the speed to 600, and now I will play this and let's see how it looks like. So the speed has been increased, rotation per minute. And if I want to save this animation, click on this save. Here you can select AVI file. I'm going to give photo view 360. Enter animation frame per second, let's say 30, and all things are fine. Click on assembly 3 save, and now let's open that assembly. Compressor uncompressed, so it's saved. If I go to my file here, I am seeing that it's 0 KB. I don't know why. So again, let's save this file, and I think it's saving, that's why. Okay, so again let's save this file, enter animation, save this. Okay, compressor, let's use this, frames 30. Okay, now it's saving. So you need to use compressor for this one, and it's saving now. It will take some time and then it will be fine. So now if you see that file again, it is going to be getting some size. So now you can see here, so now it's saving and we are going to get animation file. Okay, so it will take some time for 15 seconds, 16 seconds. So as you can see here, we are getting this thing. You can also increase the speed, playback speed, playback mode. You can change this, but we just want the regular one. So now it's going to go like this, and now it's done. And now if you go to your folder, you can see that you have this file. You can close this one, but now if you open this, you can see the animation in movie file in animation. So that's the thing. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye man, thank you.